Elon Musk supporting Shiba Inu. Now, so many questions have been raised by so many social media platforms. In fact, people believe that Elon Musk can support Shiba Inu. They believe Elon Musk is going to start supporting Shiba Inu because one thing is that Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are two different coins. We all know that Elon Musk has been supporting Dogecoin, but when it comes to Shiba Inu, whatever he says about Dogecoin also affects the price movement of Shiba Inu. Now, one thing you need to understand is that Elon Musk accepting Shiba Inu simply means the competition between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin will really go down, because Shiba Inu and sees itself as a Dogecoin killer, and Dogecoin also is not giving up. Now, Elon Musk supporting Shiba Inu can push the price of Shiba Inu to gain over 2000%, and if Elon Musk can even buy and hold Shiba Inu coins, then expect a more massive increase in price, because Shiba Inu is the top 5 most popular crypto coins out there, apart from Ethereum, apart from Bitcoin, apart from Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and BNB. Yes, people are talking about Shiba Inu. Everywhere is Shiba Inu. Now, one thing I want to tell you that if you're holding Shiba Inu token, keep holding that coin, because Shiba Inu is actually going to increase in price in the future. Anyone that invests in Shiba Inu right now will end up making some profit for himself or for herself, because Shiba Inu will still increase in price. Yes, Shiba Inu is going to hit over its all-time price. Shiba Inu is going to increase over its all-time price between now and the end of let's say by April or May 2023. We are expecting Shiba Inu to increase by over 1000%. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.